morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your time zone. Welcome back to my channel. So we are gonna go through a video that one of the, should I say, army of BNL, that's the Biafran National League. So there's a video that he made, talking about the rumor that some of them want to gang up against their leader. Few days ago, I saw a post that was being shared by one of our brother, like an Igbo person, not non-Igbo Biafra. He's an Igbo person. That post says that the leader of this group um, claimed that he's now siding Nkere. They are now with Nkere. And most of us know that there was a time that PM made it clear that they are with him. There were, these are a group of people that are, you know, the fact their focus is on this side of Bakassi Peninsula and boundary between Cameroon and Biafran, those really riverine area. They are the one engaging people there. Now everybody was confused. I was like, could that be true? I'm not sure. I have to do my best to check on their platform to see if that is true, because the screenshot or the write-up that the people are sharing, people were sharing that, and I'm not sure of it, so I have to check before I say. I don't want to bring it here because for bringing sake, just to say something. Then when I was checking that, I couldn't locate their platform on X, so I tried my best to see the platform, but I couldn't see that. Then I went to Facebook. Then I saw the platform of Prince. I think Prince Williams is his name, the leader. I can't remember his name, but something like Prince. Then I searched his profile to see if I can. I went through it and to see if I can see that particular post where he's post like what people are sharing, that he's now with Nkere. I couldn't see anything like that. Then I decided to keep mute. I did not want to talk about it anymore. I just maintain my way. I don't want to say something because people are saying. I hope you understand what I'm saying. Then after a few days now, I saw this video yesterday. When somebody covered his face and he said this. Listen to this, then I will tell you what my own take on that. Just pay attention.
What I have to say is very hard, but I will have to make our position.
Okay, so let me take it for. Let me drag it to the beginning.
What I have to say is very hard, but I will have to make our position known to all Biafrans. We held an emergency meeting of all national officers, and the BNL leader was part of that decision we took. We regret all the allegations levied against the officers that we have collected money to betray the BNL leader. We are disputing this allegation and should be withdrawn immediately. The post made in favor of Dr. Ngozi does not have our support. Now, this is our decision. We are fully with the Biafran Republic government in exile, led by Dr. Nkere. Anybody donating money to Dr. Ngozi wants to kill this struggle. We appeal to you, our followers. Help us by donating to BRGIE government from today. We are glad that this issue has been cleared. This is our decision. The national officers has asked me to make this strong statement. After this statement, anybody who goes around blackmailing the BNL leader, we are going to knock them out with propaganda. Thank you.
Okay, you have listened to that. There are some errors in what he said. Of course, I will say it here. I'm gonna point it out. First thing you need to know is that the person saying this, these two things could be playing out here. One is either this person is being, planted by Ogenkere and their group, so not about what, their group, to say this thing. Because the post that the one that I saw was not in favor of COS, not at all. Because that post says that they are working with Ogenkere. Okay, I don't know. Maybe there's another post before that one, and I begin to wonder. Maybe somehow the post that I saw could be the one that confronted people. They said that they are working from Ogenkere. Maybe their leader maybe don't want to work with Ogekere, and he have not come out to make the such post. And because that people like this and Ogekere group want to run faster than shadow, maybe they want to run faster than their shadow. They want to, prove to everybody that they are this that, whereas they are not. Maybe internally they are having argument on what to do, who to work with. I assume that because if you know Genkere group, you know them that they always want to be ahead. They always want to force themselves, to something. So that is my take on that. Is either that the leader, okay, maybe the leader don't want to work with Ogenkere, and people like this want to work with him. Or maybe this guy is not even a member of the BNL at all, and they want to use that to, and maybe they are the one that issued that statement, meaning that Ogenkere is one that made that post. This is my own take. I'm not telling you that this is verified information. I'm just telling you what I felt. He said they are the one that maybe they have received the intel that these people they're not gonna support you. They quickly rush out in public to claim that that post that I told you about is being made by the BNL leader. And I just told you that when I saw that, with that, this video was not have not come out at all. I have to go to check to verify that information on their own platform. I couldn't see that on their Facebook. I've not seen their account. I don't know their name on X. So on Facebook, they don't have posts like that that says that we're gonna work with Oginkre. There's no post like that on Facebook. Now that's to tell you that the information, the post himself may not be the authentic report from BNL leader. For this guy to come out here and say that they are working for Oginkere, that anybody contributing money to CAS is doing that, on their own, they want to destroy the struggle. That is not that is a that is a very familiar statement that we have seen them saying they're making that kind of utterances, like Sonak Barawa, Chamaka Jere, Ogekere himself, and all of them. They always say you is about why are you paying money where is the money? You know that kind of statement. For this guy, and this guy, he's reading something that they wrote for him. Somebody just draft it. I hand it over to him to go and say. That's why he was not able to put it well. At the end, he said that they're gonna knock them out with propaganda. Who does that? If I told you that you want to say make a kind of claim, you should look for somebody that will represent you very well. This guy just messed up that they're gonna knock you out with their propaganda. We are gonna play it again. So you hear it for yourself. I'm not the one saying that. Then second thing that you may make out from the video is that it could be that the group himself are ready to work with Oginkere. Maybe that BNL leader is the one, okay, that want to hold CS, and his followers or his members, his officers refuse. Maybe Ogenkere managed to penetrate them and say what this guy is saying here. But on a second thought, if that is the case, Prince would have also have it on his platform, which I told you just now that I did not see anything like that. So somehow everything is not straight yet. But this guy's statement, it is obvious that Ogenkere is the one that, to me, it is very, very obvious that Ogenkere is working with someone that knows these people, or working direct with some of the officers trying to twist their mind, if not all of them. But I'm gonna play it again so that we can analyze it bit by bit, because it's just 1 minute 46 seconds, so it's not gonna take much time. Let's hear him again.
of BNL. What I have to say is very hard, but I will have to make our position known to all Biafrans. We held an emergency meeting of all national officers, and the BNL leader was part of that decision we took. We regret all the allegations levied against the officers that we have collected money to betray the BNL leader. We are disputing this allegation and should be withdrawn immediately. The post made in favor of Dr. Ngozi.
There's no post made in favor of Ngozi yet. I've not seen that. If you have seen that, please let us know. Okay, let us know so we can also watch it with you. My WhatsApp number is on. You can just use it and send me that post if you have it. I want to see it because I've not seen any post in favor of CS.
Does not have our support. Now, this is our decision. We are fully with the Biafran Republic.
For him to come out and say that she does not have that support simply means that some are ready to be in her support because your statement sounds like a protest. You understand? You are protesting against those that have her support. Do you understand? But like I said, let's take it one by one.
Government in exile, led by Dr. Oge Nkere.
Okay, Nkere is not a doctor. That's why I said that they wrote this in and handed it over to him to go and read. And whoever that does that is that person is worried about CS. The person that wrote this in have CS in his or her mind, every now and then. That's why he's using the title of CS and putting it for Ogenkere. CS is doctor, not Ogenkere. He said Dr. Oge. Let me take it back again so that it's not be I'm the one I'm made it up. Listen.
The Biafran Republic government in exile, led by Dr. Oge.
So Oge is not a doctor. Okay? Like I said, the guy is reading something that being handed over to him, and the person that wrote it, is somehow worried because when you are worried of something, that thing will always be on your lips. You cannot make a statement that somehow related to the person. Okay, you must always mistake the names because your mind and your spirit is being troubled by the presence of that person, and that's what is playing out here. Listen.
Nkere. Anybody donating money to Dr. Ngozi wants to kill this struggle.
But you cannot. How can you explain that? Anybody donating money to Ngozi is want to kill this struggle, and I don't even know when BNL, right? Not LA, BNL, the Biafran National League. I don't know that they have say in fundraising of Biafran government in exile or Biafran United States of Biafra. Okay, and I was coming to the part where he said they belong, the Biafran government in exile have their support. You guys need to understand the steps that Biafran have, gone through to arrive at the point of USB. Like I said, I'm not here to fuel anything, but to set the record straight. What I'm doing is reporting. I'm just reporting. I'm not in the decision making of any group at all. Most of you already know that. So let's continue because I don't want people to say, "Oh, you are signing this, you are signing that." If you think you have better argument to what is associated with what we know, bring it here. I will. If Ogenkere have something powerful, just send it to me. I will use it to sort of do program, but let it be logical. I'm not here to don't bring propaganda, cooked up story and expect me to ride with it. I have to look into it and meditate on it, of course, by using my brain, not like spiritual exercise. Now let's go.
We appeal to you, our followers. Help us by donating to BRGIE.
Are you getting that? We appeal to you, our followers, a command, army or forces. You know what I mean by forces? I'm talking about army or police of any nation or a group of armed group or something like that that want to liberate themselves. Cannot just come and say our followers. That can only come from those who are who have political agenda in their mind, our followers, our group, our movement. So that meaning that this message, it was was drafted by someone that is close to Nkere and working for him, because we appeal to you, our members. That is off to me. Take it again,
We appeal to you, our followers.
our followers.
Help us by donating to BRGIE government from today. We are glad that this issue has been cleared. This is our decision. The national officers has asked me to make this strong statement. After this statement, anybody who goes around blackmailing the BNL leader, we are going to knock them out with propaganda.
We are going to knock them out. I thought the message could, maybe what they wrote for this guy could be, they are going to knock them out with that propaganda. So, because we are going to knock them out with propaganda is very quite funny. Let hear that again.
To make this strong statement. After this statement, anybody who goes around blackmailing the BNL leader, we are going to knock them out with propaganda. Thank you.
So, what's your take on that? Is it not funny? Tell me your take on this. People can be funny. Anyway, like the video and subscribe to the channel. See you again. I will be live on our second platform in next 10 to 20 minutes or 50. It's not even, maybe 15 minutes. So please join me there and make sure you subscribe to the channel, of course. Very, very important. I'm gonna share the link here. So expect our live broadcast there, because we're gonna go through those that have decided to let me not say that. Just join us. Okay? Very, very important. See you again and bye bye for now. God bless you.